Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Today we are starting lecture number 8 of the number system. In lecture number 7 we have discussed 10th point, that is divisibility rule of the number. First we have discussed what is the divisibility rule by 2 and we have done so many examples. Second point we have done what is the divisibility rule for number by 3 and there is some example. Now today we are explaining what is the you can say rule for divisibility by the number 4. So now my third point in 10th. So this is third point. So what least number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible, by 4, just like 2, 4, 5, 6, and this is a star mark. Okay, and here given suppose 1, B option given 2, C option given 3, and D option given 4. So my question is, what least number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible by 4, so that it become divisible by 4. So first example is 2, 4, 5, 6 and a star, and here option is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the technique for this type of question? See, so technique is what? That is any number is divisible by 4 if and only if its last two digit number or number formed by unit digit and tens digit is divisible by 4. So what is the technique? Any number is divisible by 4. If and only if it last two digit number or number formed by unit digit and tens digit is divisible by 4. So for example, here this number is given. So my focus is what? This two digit only. Okay, so only focus is that this two digits should be divisible by 4. So what digit here we place so that this number divisible by 4? So if we will put here 1, it is 61, not divisible by 4, so it is not our answer. If we put 2 here, 62, not divisible by 4, so it is not our answer. In the same way, this is 3. If we put here 3, 63, not divisible by 4, so it is not our answer. In the same way, we put 4. This is 64. So if 64 is divisible by 4, so this is my correct answer. Our right answer is what? 4. So again repeating the technique. Technique is what? Any large number is given, we have to check what number here we place so that it become divisible by 4. So technique is what? We have to check the initial two digit number, that is unit and tens digit number. If divisible by 4, then whole number will be divisible by 4. So we will check from option what number we place at unit place so that this number is what? Divisible by 4. So here my answer is what? 4. Now I am giving other example also. See. So second example is just like it is given 9, 8, 7, 6 and this. Okay, and now here option is given. So option is given, A option is given 1, B option is given 6, C option is given suppose 8 and D is given none. Okay, so now the question, what number we place at this star place so that this number is divisible by what? That is 4. So technique is what? First you see, focus on this only 2-digit number. So what number we place here so that it is divisible by 4? If we will put 1, 61 not divided by 4, so this is not our answer. If we will put 6, 66 not divided by 4, not my answer. If we will put 8, so 68. We will divide, if there is a 68, we will divide by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 2 remainder 20. 4 7 ja 20. So it is divisible by 4. So our correct answer is what? 8. So 8 is our correct answer. Okay. So one more example, see. Just like this is the number 5, 6, 7 and here 8 and here 8 and here option is given 1, 2, 3 and D is what? Odd. So again the question is same, what number we should place here so that it is divisible by 4. So our technique is what? What number we should place here so it is divisible by 4. So our technique is only focused on last 2 digits. Here 88 already given. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 2. This 88 is divisible by 4. So any number we put here, no problem. Our number will be divisible by 4. So our correct answer is what? 11. Right? So our correct answer is what? All of them. So now you can see we are explaining this by the basic rule also. What is the basic? Suppose we are putting here 1. Okay. So now 4 1 ja 4. 1 remainder 16. 4 4 ja 16. Again 4 1 ja 4. This is 3. Suppose we are putting 1. So 31. So 4 7 ja 28. Again 3. So this is 38. 4 9 ja 36. 2 remainder 28. 4 7 ja 20. Divisible. So you can put, suppose 2 we are putting again. So 2 is. So 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. Again 4 1 ja 4. This is 3. 32. 4 8 ja 32. 4 2 ja 8. 4. This is divisible. So any number you put here, this number is divisible by 4 because this our last 2 digit is what? Divisible by 4. In this way we can solve any question which is divisible by 4. Now I am explaining the fourth point, that is divisible by 5. So this is the fourth point. What least number we should place at a star place so that it is divisible by 5. The question is given, suppose 5 9 7 6 and this is what? A star place, and option is given 0 1 2 and none. So question is, what least number we should place at a star place so that it is divisible by 5. So what is the technique for this question? So technique is what? See. So technique is what? Any number is divisible by 5 if and only if unit digit is 0 or 5. So technique is what? Any number is divisible by 5 if and only if unit digit is 0 or 5. So simple technique, you check कि your unit digit is what? If unit digit is 0 and other digit is any number given, no problem, it will be divisible by 5. So 0 or 5. So my question is here 5976 star place. So what number we should place here so that it is divisible by 5. So we will check from option. Yes, 0 is given A. So if we will put 0, it is divisible by 5. You can check by basic method also. 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, 4 remainder. So this is 47. 5 9 are 45, 2 remainder 26. 5 5 are 25, 1. So 0 10, 5 2 are 10. Our answer is correct. So any number is given, you can use this technique. So one more example, see. So second example is what? Just like 2, 4, 7. And it is a star place here 5. And here number is given, suppose A option again 0, B option 1 and C option 2 and D option what? All. So again my question is what? What least number we should place at this star place so that the number is divisible by 5. So our simple technique is what? You check what is unit digit. If unit digit is 0 or 5, then any number is given, it will be divisible by 5. So here unit is already 5. So this number is divisible by 5, any number written here. So our correct answer is what? All of these. 0 may be here, 1 may be here, 2 may be here. This number is always divisible by 5 because unit digit is 5. You can check by basic. Suppose here we are finding 0. So now see 5 4 are 20, 4 carry 47, 5 9 are 45, that is 2. So this is 20. 5 4 are 20, 5 1 are 5. In the same way we apply for 1. So this is 1. So 5 4 are 20, 4 remainder 47. 5 9 are 45, 2 that is 21. 5 4 are 20, 1 remainder 15. 5 3 are 50. In this way any number put here, your number is divisible by 5. In this way today we learned two things. One, number divisible by 4 and other number divisible by 5. In the next lecture, that is lecture number 9, we will learn more numbers about this. Thank you.